In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp number in Website in Framer. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable WhatsApp link right on your site so visitors can start a chat with you in one tap. First, open your project in Framer. Any page or canvas is fine. We're just adding a simple call to action that points to WhatsApp. At the top of the editor, click the layout icon to reveal layout tools. This gives you quick access to common elements you'll place on the page. Choose frame and draw a frame on your canvas. A frame is a flexible container that helps control spacing and alignment. Drag its edges to size it the way you want, wide enough to comfortably hold a short line of text without wrapping. With the frame selected, add a text layer inside it and type something clear and action-oriented, like My WhatsApp or Chat on WhatsApp. Keep the wording short so it reads like a button or link. If you want it to feel more like a button, you can center the text and give the frame a bit of padding for breathing room. Now look to the left side of the editor for the Style panel. This is where you adjust visual properties, and importantly, where you'll add the link. Find the link field. Paste your WhatsApp link here in the standard format so Framer treats the text as a clickable element. The simplest format is https://wa.me, your full number, where your full number is your complete phone number with country code and no symbols or spaces. If you like, you can include a pre-filled message by adding text equals followed by your message, properly encoded, to the end of that URL. Time to test. Click the preview icon at the top, then click your new WhatsApp text on the preview. On desktop, this will open WhatsApp Web or prompt the app if installed. On mobile, it should launch the WhatsApp app directly. If it doesn't open, double-check that the number includes the country code and that there are no spaces or special characters. That's it. Your Framer site now has a working WhatsApp link, ready for visitors to reach you instantly.